another area down in, say, South America, you would get this. Now, this is a grass raft, grass bundles. They get bundles of reed, floating reed, and bundle it together to make the raft. Now here again, it's all relative. If you got to carry more weight, you need larger bundles. You carry less weight, less bundles. And you see the little sticks across. You put the sticks in, take the sticks out, depending on what's going on, and you see the top is up a little bit, so you can kind of get over marsh and all this. A little bit more what we call a developed raft. You got a bit of a developed raft. The sand pan, and I think they have some other the catamaran. The early catamarans was defined as tied wood. So a catamaran and a sampan, way back, is generally the same thing. Let's tie some wood together, tie some pieces together. The sampan, where we tie about 3 pieces together. The catamaran, we tie a bunch of pieces together. You know, not a lot, but enough to hold us, to hold maybe one or two persons. And then it goes on, more developed, more sophisticated, and you get this movement of more sophistication. And we're going to look at this. Now, this water shoe, water ski, snowshoe, catamaran, well, you can see here that it's, we got these little loops in here, and you see the foot loop, and you see these other little loops in here, and you see these other little loops in here, so you can get some kind of movement. You can't get a lot of movement, and they don't necessarily was looking for a lot of movement, but slight movement, so I can move and break loose up from the ground, or sticky, or shuffle a little bit in very shallow water. Now, some people ask, well, gee whiz, if you're in that shallow water, why don't you just get out, just step in the water and move along. In a lot of cases you could, if you're in warm water. But if you're in cold water, then you don't necessarily want to step in the water. Say ice water, you might not necessarily want to step in the water.